Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Easy Chemistry by Praveen. So today I am going to discuss about the topic is called as a important NEET IIT examination questions in a elevation in boiling point. That means important questions in the qualitative property. Important NEET IIT JEE question. See the first question. You can see the first question. Which of the following solution will exhibit the highest boiling point? Here they have given the some solutions. They are asking about the which of the following will exhibit the highest boiling point. So 0.01 m Na2SO4 aqua solution, 0.01 m KNO3 aqua solution, 0.015 m urea aqua solution, and 0.015 m glucose aqua solution. So we have to find out which is having the highest boiling point. We have to find. First of all, we have to understand the sense. So number of the molecules is increasing automatically. Boiling point also increasing, that we have to understand. First we have to see how many number of the molecule will dissociate in this particle. We have to see. So here you can see the if you dissociated, what will happen? So Na2SO4 dissociated, it will form 2 Na plus SO4 2 minus. That means how many particles? 2 Na and 1 SO4 particles. So total how many? 3 particles will form. Automatically it will become like how much? 0.03 will form. If you write like this, otherwise you can go like this also you can go. So what about the KNO3? KNO3 dissociated, it will form K plus NO3. NO3 minus 2. So automatically how many? 1K plus NO3 minus 1. How many? 2. So urea, what about the urea? Urea and glucose, they are not dissociated. So they are not at all dissociated. So how many more highest particles for Na2SO4 only? If the particles are more, automatically the boiling point is increasing. So answer is the 0.01 m Na2SO4 aqua solutions having the highest boiling point when compared to these four. See the next question. The increase in the boiling point of a solution containing 0.6 grams of urea in 200 grams of water is 0.5 degrees Celsius. Solution temperature they have given. So find the molar elevation constant. So we have to calculate the Kb. We have to calculate. Generally, what is our formula? Delta Tb is equal Kb into M. We have to calculate the Kb from the above given data. We have to calculate. So whatever the data we have given, just written. So urea how many grams? Weight of the urea how many grams? 0.6 grams. So urea molecular formula how much? Molecular weight is equal 60 grams. So 200 grams of the water. So solvent, water solvent how much? 200 grams. If you convert it into kg, we have to take it as a 1000. We have to take it as a 1000. So delta Tb how much? 0.50 degree Celsius. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the Kb. We have to find out. See here, delta Kb is equal Kb into molarity. So generally what is our molarity formula? Number of moles of the solute by the molecule on weight of the solvent in a kg. So that I am written weight by the gram molecular weight of the solute in by upon the number of moles of weight of the solvent in a kg. So 1000 by, what is our solvent here? Water is our solvent. How much it is there? 200 grams it is there. So weight of the, what is the weight of the urea they have given in the question? 0.6 gram. Gram molecular weight is equal 60 into, first we have to find out the molarity, then you have to substitute the in this, then you can easily get the elevation boiling point you can get. So this get cancelled. So 60 get cancelled. So m is equal 6 by 60 into 1 by 2 is equal 10. So already by okay, molarity how much we got? 10 into 2. So already we know that delta Tb is how much? Delta Tb is equal Kb into M. So delta Tb how much? 0.50. 0.50 is equal Kb into molarity is equal 1 by 10 into 1 by 2. So Kb is equal 0.50 into 10 into, so is equal 10 kg per mole universe. So this is the way to solve the question. Next question, see the next question. The molar boiling point of for water is equal 0.513 degree Celsius Kg for mole universe. When 0.1 mole of sugar is dissolved in 200 grams of the water, the solution boils at the under the pressure 1 atmosphere. So generally our formula is equal delta TB is equal Kb into m. So this is okay. What they are asking in the questions, generally elevation and boiling point. So difference between the boiling point of the solution, difference between the boiling point of the solvent. They are asking the solution, they are asking. This means what? Delta TB plus delta V naught. Finally we have to calculate the this we have to calculate. So once see whatever the data they have, given, see what they have given. Kb, how much they have given? Kb given 0.513 degree Celsius they have given. So solute how much? Solute is equal 0.1 mole. 1 moles they have given in the moles they have given. Solute they have given the moles. So sugar is boiled over 200 grams of the water they have given. So solvent is equal 0.200 grams of water. So we have to convert it into kg. We have to convert it into kg. Automatically it will become like 0.2. It become like 0.2. So what is our formula? Our formula is equal delta TB is equal Kb into molality. So delta TB is equal, for my convenience I am writing TB is equal TB naught is equal, Kb is how much? 0.513 into molality is how much? Number of moles of the solvent. How much moles? 0.1 by the 0.2. So this we can write as a 0.5 we can write. So 0.513 into 0.5 we will write. So TB is equal TB naught is equal TB naught is equal, that only I am writing delta TB. So automatically we will get the 0.256. We will get the 0.256 we will get. So what the solvent we are taking? Solvent we are taking the water we are taking. So what is the water boiling point? Water boiling point is equal 100 degree Celsius. So TB is equal 100 plus 0.256 is equal 100.256 degree Celsius. So this is the boiling point of the solutions. See the next question. This is also mains and NEET question only. A solution containing 3.3 grams of the substance. A solution containing 3.3 grams of the substance is 125 grams of a benzene, whose boiling point already they have given. Boiling point is 80 degree Celsius. Boils at 80.66 degree Celsius. This is the solution boiling point. The elevation of Kb for 1 liter of benzene is 3.218 degree Celsius. The molecular weight of the solute we have to calculate. So what they have given? So a solution containing the weight of the solute. So weight of the solute, how much they have given? Weight of the solute W is equal 3.3 grams they have given. Molecular weight we have to calculate. So if 125 grams of the benzene, so 125 grams of the benzene, so weight of the solvent, how much? 125 grams. We have to convert it into kg. So what they have given? Kb they have given is equal 3.28 degree Celsius. So what about the delta TB? Delta TB is equal TB minus TB naught Celsius. So what about the solution? Solution is 80.66. What about the solute? Is equal 80 degree Celsius. So 80 minus 80.66. So 80.66 minus 80 is equal, we will get the 0.66. If you convert it into Kelvin, it will become like 0.73 plus 66 Kelvin. Okay, so our formula is equal delta TB is equal KB is equal molality. Molality is equal number of moles of the solute by the weight of the solvent in a kg. Generally we will write the weight of the solvent in a kg. So weight of solvent. So already they have given the information, total information they have given. They are asking about the calculate the molecular weight of the solute they are asking. So what is the delta TB here? If you see the delta TB is equal how much? 273.66 Kelvin. So KB is how much? KB is equal 3.28 into, this is called as a molality. So generally you will get molality is equal 273 by 0.66. So 273.66 upon 3.28, you will get the 83.43. You will get 83.43. You will get. So now write 83.43 is equal weight. Weight is how much? Weight of the solute is equal 3.3 grams. So 3.3 grams is equal molecular weight we have to calculate. So 1000 upon the 125. So you can write 83.43. If you do the calculation, you will get is equal 131.2 grams. You will get. This is the molecular weight of the solute. See the next question. 18 grams of glucose is dissolved in 1 kg water. 18 grams of the glucose is dissolved in 1 kg of water. So what is the solute? Solute is the glucose. Solute is the glucose in the sense weight of the solute is equal 18 grams. Molecular weight of the glucose is equal 180 grams. So solvent how much? Solvent is equal, weight of the solvent in a kg is equal 1 kg. Find the boiling point of the solution. So TB we have to calculate. So TB not how much they have given. Boiling point of the pure water is equal 373. It is 373 Kelvin. So 373 Kelvin. So KB is equal 0.52 kg for mole we have given. We have to find out the solution boiling point. We have to find out. General, what is our formula? Delta TB is equal KB into molarity. So delta TB in the sense what? TB minus TB naught is equal KB is equal molarity. So TB is equal, TB naught how much? TB naught is equal boiling point of the pure water. Boiling point pure water is equal 373 Kelvin is equal to KB is how much? 0.52. So molarity, how can you calculate the molarity? Number of moles of the solute by the weight of the solvent in a kg. The solvent in a kg. So number of moles of the solute is how much? 18 by 18. So weight by the gram molecular weight by the weight of the solvent. Weight of solvent in kg. So you can write TB minus 373 is equal 0.52 into 18 by weight in the sense weight of the solute. Gram molecular weight is how much? 180 by 1 kg. So NJ is equal 0.052 is equal TB is equal 373. So TB is equal 373 plus 0.052 is equal 373.052. So this is the boiling point of the solution. So these are the questions, important questions for the NEET and IIT examination. So thank you for watching my video.